Oh, we've done something wild today. Instead of being on the 17th floor in building number 1 in the Melrose showroom next to Adama with Iris. Hi, Iris.
Hi.
Iris and I decided to take a little field trip, and we are down here in the lobby of building number 1 at the Melrose display because this is something in Atlanta that's kind of a bonus surprise that we got.
Yeah,
The designers
the
are
entrance,
amazing.
but best spot ever.
Yeah, and everybody who's coming in is talking about it. The security lady told me that all the people walking by are coming up to this display, and they just kind of want to reach over inside and they want to look at it. And what's really setting this off, Iris, is what Adama has provided to it as well, which is we start at the floor because we always start at the floor with Adama.
Yeah, some vinyl mats, perfect designs. They match each other. Very trendy, pattern and very nice texture on them. I love it.
And Adama is known for our flooring pieces and our rugs because you have different thicknesses that you can order, and it doesn't matter really which style that you want or which size that you want. You can decide what thickness you need for what your uses are.
Yeah, so you can choose either the mats, different thickness from the wallpaper that is basically a sticker, peel and stick. It's removable wallpaper. You can get rid of it after a while. No signs, no, damage to the wall. So it's really great material that we are using. And you can have all our designs on all of our materials.
Well, here's what Ken did. Now, everybody knows that Melrose has some of the best designers out there, but Ken is their leader. And he is the one that came up with this idea and put this down here on the wall. And he just kind of said, I need something in the neutral palette that goes with Dwelling, which is one of our collections. Dwelling is our collection that is in the Japandi style, which has a little bit of that clean lines, that Japanese look, but a little bit modern. And then he just picked these, right? He wanted the natural and he wanted the black.
And also cut it in a shape that will fit this collection. So that's, I think, what's really bold and so beautiful with this combination.
I agree with that. I mean, he just thought, this is just a white canvas space. So if you're a designer out there, you know how to do this naturally. If you're a store owner, maybe this doesn't come naturally for you. But what you want to do is look at the design and your overall goal, and then just buy your product in a roll or a sheet, and then cut it.
Yeah,
to what
and
you
mix it the way you want. And then everything just pop up. Everything just looks better. Everything is just as a whole.
Yes, it just comes right together. Well, this is definitely a place in Building 1 that everyone is talking about. That's kind of a bonus for this year for us.
Yes.
I mean, most people, they go directly up to the 17th floor, and you have kind of a new area within the Melrose showroom, too.
Yes, with all our designs, and you can see the different, more modern style designs and the old ones. So it's really to see over there the collections that we have and the different thicknesses, what we were talking right now.
Yeah, I see people walk up to you all the time, right there in the showroom, and they'll say, okay, I thought about this for a while, but I just really wasn't sure, and I don't know how to sell it to my customers when they're in my store.
Yeah.
And I see them really just playing with the samples and looking at them and feeling them, and that's what you want them to do.
Yeah, and we want their customers to do the same. So if they have variety and these books of samples, they can just try, they can say, okay, I need that feel or that look, and then they can choose better. And that's what we are doing up there.
It's good to see you again, Iris.
Thank you
I
very
love
much.
to see you at home again. I love seeing you at holidays. Sometimes it gets so busy, you and I don't get to get together, but
yeah,
this
so
has been
it was
great.
a great opportunity and great space to share. Thank you.
Come see us.